work ethic, and people. Welcome to FluentEase English. In this lesson, you'll learn 20 common English words about work ethic and people in everyday life. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and answer the questions. Let's begin. Work ethic. Responsible. 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 Responsible means doing your duty well. She is responsible at work. How is she at work? Responsible, reliable, reliable, reliable. Reliable means you can trust someone. He is a reliable worker. How is he as a worker? Reliable, organized, organized, organized. Organized means things are in order. She keeps her desk organized. How does she keep her desk organized? Careful, careful, careful. Careful means paying attention. He is careful with his work. How is he with his work? Careful, strict, strict, strict. Strict means having strong rules. The boss is strict at work. How is the boss at work? Strict. Patient, patient, patient means able to wait calmly. She is patient with students. How is she with students? Patient, focused, focused, focused. Focused means thinking about one thing. He stays focused on his task. How does he stay on his task? Focused. Motivated. Motivated? Motivated. Motivated means wanting to work hard. The team feels motivated today. How does the team feel today? Motivated. Talented. 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 Talented means having natural ability. She is talented in music. How is she in music? Talented. Skilled. 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 Skilled means having learned ability. He is skilled at his job. How is he at his job? Skilled. People, everyday life, friend, friend, friend. A friend is someone you like. He is my close friend. Who is my close friend? He is neighbor, neighbor, neighbor. A neighbor lives near you. My neighbor is helpful. Who is helpful? My neighbor. Guest, guest, guest. A guest visits your home. We welcome the guest. Who do we welcome? The guest. Child, 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 child. A child is young. The child is playing outside. Who is playing outside? Nay. The child? Baby? A baby? Baby? A baby is very young. The baby is sleeping now. Who is sleeping now? But the baby. Teenager. Teenager. Not teenager. A teenager is between child and adult. The teenager studies hard. Who studies hard? The teenager. Adult. 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 An adult is fully grown. Adults work every day. Who works every day? Adults. Man. Man. Ma. A man is an adult male. The man is tall. Who is tall? The man. Woman. 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 A woman is an adult female. The woman smiles. Who smiles? The woman. People. 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 People are men, women, and children. Many people are here. Who are here? Many people. Excellent job. You learned 20 useful English words about work ethic and people in daily life. Listen again, repeat many times, and speak naturally. Subscribe to FluentEase English for more fun lessons. See you in the next video.